Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to buy YouTube Premium with Google Play Balance. It's very easy thing to do. For this, what you have to do, first open your YouTube app from your mobile. Then after opening your app, go to your tap on your profile icon from the bottom right. Now here you will see an option get YouTube Premium. Just tap on it. Now you will see try 1 month for your try 1 month for then here you will see their packages, individual, family, student. Select anyone what you want to buy. Then tap on try 1 month. Then you will see here an option Google Pay. If it's available to you, in my region it's not available. If you have balance on it, you can buy YouTube Premium with Google Play here. And that's it. That's how you can buy YouTube Premium with Google Play balance. um, with if you